Hey guys, Poco has launched its new device Poco X3 today. As of now, this is looking quite interesting device with some great specs. It has a cool camera system and a beautiful 120Hz display. This time Poco has come with a unique back design with some cool texture. So yeah, good camera system, good battery life, fast charging and everything is very good. So we will talk about this phone in this video later. Please stay with us and watch full video. So yeah, starting with design, Poco has come this time very unique camera alignment and very unique uh, branding position. This design is looking quite fresh. Poco has come with two color variant. First is shadow gray, this one, and other is the cobalt blue. I will show you. Yeah, this one. This is my personal favorite. This look very interesting. Very beautiful color, very beautiful design overall. So this color variant, Poco has named it as cobalt blue, but there is a problem. This is a plastic bag. It means you will get scratches if you don't use your case properly. So yeah, this is it. Now talking about the camera setup on Poco X3. X3 is come with quad camera setup with 164MP main, 13MP ultra wide and 2MP depth and macro sensors. This is a good and standard camera system. They are upgraded the ultra wide sensor which is 13MP now. So we are hoping to see great result from it. The main Sony sensors IMX682 is really very good, as you can see here. After zooming to 1%, the quality still remain good. Have a look. Its camera system comes with few cool filters like this and many more. Macro camera is not so much impressive. Here is the ultra wide shot which is looking seriously good. Now if we talk about the front camera, it comes with a 20MP selfie camera which is decent. So this is all about the camera setup. We are hoping some great results from it. Now talking about the performance on the Poco X3. So Poco X3 come with latest Snapdragon 732G, which is the upgraded version of 730G present on Poco X2. There is nothing big change from 730G to 732G. There is only slightly boost in clock speed. This is now running on 2.3 GHz unlike the 730G on 2.2 GHz, which we have already experienced in Poco X2. So yeah, performance wise there is no problem. We can expect a good performance with this phone. This is all about the processor in the phone. Now if we talk about battery and charging on the Poco X3, so we get a 6000 mAh a whopping big battery with a cool decent fast charging 33 watt. So it can charge 62% in just 30 minutes and 100% in just 65 minutes. This is really good. So yeah, there is no problem on this side as well. Poco X3 comes with dual stereo speaker. The main one is bottom firing and the other one is on the earpiece. So we can expect some cool stereo effects on the phone. Now talking about the biggest highlight of the phone, that is the display. We get a huge 6.67-inch Full HD plus dot display, which is TUV Renland certified and 120Hz refresh rate supported. Higher refresh rate means you will get some cool scrolling effects, means you will get very fluid scrolling and gaming experience. 120Hz refresh rate means it is double fluid than standard 60Hz display on other phones. And also this is a HDR10 supported display. It means you will get some very good viewing experience. So this is all some basic features on Poco X3. Now talking about some other interesting and useful features on the Poco X3, so you will get a Z-axis linear vibrator, means you will get some very good haptic feedback on the phone. You are getting liquid cooling technology with some multi-layer graphite heat dissipation system. It means your phone will not be heated so much. even after long gaming session on the phone. So this is all about the Poco X3. This is seriously a very good and beautiful phone with very good specs. It comes with UFS 2.1 storage and LPDDR4X RAM. You are also getting 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster. This is a complete package. I like this phone. Now talking about the price. So the base variant of 6 and 64GB come at
16,999
and 8 128GB variant come at
20,000 rupees.
So this is all about the Poco X3. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. Thank you.